Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Dogelon Mars price prediction and Dogelon Mars news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogelon Mars in 2022. Dogelon Mars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelon Mars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, Dogelon Mars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised due to due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Dogelon Mars. 3 reasons Dogecoin succeeded where others failed. In the fast-moving world of Inus, Flockus, and Tidgerkings, it makes sense to return to the odd meme coin that started it all. With hundreds upon hundreds of memecoins hoping to replicate the success of the original community token of the masses, what are the core factors that allowed Dogecoin to last where others have failed? Celebrity endorsement. One of the main reasons Dogecoin succeeded as opposed to other memecoins is that Elon Musk has given it publicity. He sent over 50 tweets about Dogecoin between January 2021 and January 2022. Every time, the price underwent a huge fluctuation. For example, February 2021, affecting Tesla and SpaceX, as prices of raw materials keep rising. In response, Bitcoin bull and MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor speculated that United States dollars consumer inflation will continue near all-time highs, while asset inflation will run at double the rate of consumer inflation. Weaker currencies will collapse, and the flight of capital from cash, debt and value stocks to scarce property like Bitcoin will intensify, Saylor added. Adding to that, Musk said that it is usually better to own physical objects or stock in companies that make good products than fiat currencies when inflation is high. Go all in on meme tokens. In contrast, meme tokens are not easily recognized and supported by celebrities with similar feelings. Meme tokens have very few usage scenarios, which is very different from the Chain or DeFi protocol token. In addition, some meme tokens do not support smart contracts, and there are no ecosystem applications for pure meme tokens. So, the success of Dogecoin is just an example of probability. You can try meme tokens as a hobby, but not for investment. At least, it's not a good choice to all in. For $3 to the south. Since reaching this extension level, some demand has been seen. At the time of writing, the price was just under the $0.0861 level. This area, sign box, had been a supply area in recent weeks, and it would be a short-term bullish sign if the price can flip it to demand. Higher on the charts, the $0.0937 and $0.099 levels are likely to act as resistance. The hourly RSI formed lower highs even as the price tried to push past $0.0861 and higher. This bearish divergence could play out, and see Elon dip to the $0.081 area in search of demand. However, such a minor pullback would likely be a near-term buying opportunity. The OBV formed a series of higher lows over the past week. This suggestive buying volume has been the stronger force. The DMI was on the verge of signaling a strong bullish trend in progress. The 21 SMA, orange, also climbed above the 55 SMA, green, recently to show upward momentum. Conclusion is the quote an article from the Financial Times, discussing the fact that global commodity prices are on track to see the biggest weekly rally in over 50 years as a result of the war between Russia and Ukraine. High inflation numbers are also reflected in the US Consumer Price Index. The country's Bureau of Labor Statistics released the numbers on March 10th, and the index that's largely used to gauge inflation came in at 7.9%, the highest in decades. Commenting under Musk's post was the CEO of MicroStrategy Michael Saylor who said, United States dollars consumer inflation will continue near all-time highs, and asset inflation will run at double the rate of consumer inflation. Weaker currencies will collapse, and the flight of capital from cash, debt and value stock. Dogelon Mars is currently worth $0.00000076 United States dollars at $421,924,430, making it 126 on the most valuable coin list. Is Dogelon Mars, Elon, a good investment? How much will Dogelon Mars cost in 2025, or how much will Dogelon Mars cost 10 years from now? The results of only observations for 2022, and this is what experts predict for this year. By 2022, Dogelon Mars, Elon, appears to have reached price levels similar to their all-time high. By 2022, we expect the average rate to be $0.00000092. If all goes smoothly, we predict that the Dogelon Mars market price could increase to $0.00000105 in 2022. But the next year will be more interesting for investment. In 2023, with higher consumption and partnership between important ranges, the price of Dogelon Mars will skyrocket. The maximum trading price will reach $0.00000158 in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we keep them. If all goes well, we expect an average price of $0.00000132, with an expected price of $0.00000158 for 2023. If you are planning to invest for the long term, here is the forecast for 2024. Elon is discovered by potential. As science and innovations are found, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investment in Dogelon Mars, the price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.00000221. Elon is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.00000192, a low price of $0.00000186, and an expected price of $0.00000221. Course forecast 2025. Elon will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the Dogelon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Dogelon Mars price will be almost $0.00000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.00000326. Dogelon Mars average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.00000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. Dogelon Mars course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. Dogelon Mars could cross $0.00000464 if the market sees a good normal run in 2026. Elon rate prediction 2027. Dogelon Mars will increase the load on the network and interaction with people. Therefore, the settlement price for 2027 is bullish. According to analysts, Elon is expected to trigger a $0.00000709 rate hike by the end of 2027. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogelon Mars will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Elon will be between $0.00000600 and $0.00000617 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Elon changes from $0.00000600 to $0.00000709 for 2027. Dogelon Mars course prediction 2028. The current price range of Dogelon Mars may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Elon could reach $0.00001049 by 2028.